So for those who think that way, I would love for y'all to do is just say they're going to love me.
Yeah.
They are going to love me. Honestly, that's what I do. I know, Melinda, that's what you do. So let's just say we're doing a training. Melinda and I do trainings together, and we always have such a blast. And before we begin, we huddle up and we're like, this is going to be the best day ever, 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 ever. We affirm that it is going to be the best training that we have ever done in our entire lives. We don't know why. We don't care why. All we know is that that's what's going to happen. And we anchor that into ourselves. And then we're like, we don't even know what we're going to say, but we are going to be so connected with our people. We are going to be in such service to them that the words are going to come through in exactly the way that they need to hear them. And we trust. And from that place, we're able to step into that flow state and just have a blast. And the transformation happens like that.
Yes.